Hey investors, this is Gustavo, and that's the channel Gus Invest USA, Building Wealth Together. So I'm here with I think this is my third video. So we start with I'm doing not a promotion, but I'm doing something I do on my Brazilian channel in Portuguese. So I will be giving away $100 in Bitcoin when I hit my first 500 subscribers here, and I will give it away $250 when I hit my first 1,000 subscribers. I know this is a brand new channel, it's only my third video and we're just building, subscribers, but I will be doing the same thing that I did on my Brazilian channel. I'm actually doing on my Brazilian channel, so stay connected and we're gonna, grow this subscribers, and I hope I can get this giveaway of some Bitcoin here pretty soon. So yeah, we're investing here. I also got one of my subscribers said the audio wasn't working so well, so I bought a brand new, like a professional microphone here. So I need your guys' help to pay the bill. So don't forget, subscribe, send to your friends, send to your uncle, that uncle who sends message forward to everybody. So let's get there. All right, so today, let's get serious now. So what I'm bringing today is the 7 top best performance stocks that I have in one of my wallets. So I will be showing all of these 7 stocks. They perform more than 30% in a little while. So let's go through the numbers here. I will be showing for how much I bought, for how many I bought, how long I have, and all these numbers. So let's get to it. I put myself here in the corner. Yeah, we can start. Alright, so out of the 7, this is the least best performed one out of 7. On this wallet I have 39 stocks and 3 ETFs. So this is the 7th best performance in percentage, not in amount. Here we go. Number 7, Google. Here we go. What I got in Google? 30.5% increase. So I bought in 2021, see, 2.5 years ago, 17 stocks of Google. Then I didn't buy until came, the end of the year, end of 2022, when stocks tech came down. So I was able to scoop another Google for less than 100. See, 99 and 98. And then, I used to have Ameritrade. They only allow you to buy full, stocks. So in May, Charles Schwab bought them, and now Charles Schwab allowed me to buy fractions. So this month I bought a little fraction out of it. So in Google only have 18.39 stocks. I bought for, my cost was $1,930. As the market value today, 2005-18. So I'm getting $588 in in gain, 30.5%. Number 7. Let's go number 6. Everybody knows TJX. So that means it's a company who owns TJ Maxx and Marshalls. So what they do, they sell stuff. I think they buy some piece of stocks for some other companies, and they sell with a very high discount price. So their bread and butter is clothing, but they do have some housewares and some other stuff, perfumes and shoes, but we know they're really hot in clothing. So especially right now, people are trying to save some money. They have some good quality stuff, some good price. So I think it's a company who always would be, their earnings always showing good numbers. So I start buying 2 TJ Maxx stocks in May last year. And then in September, I got some dividends. In December last year, some more dividends. And then on December last year, I got another one. And then after that, another dividend. And this month, I bought a couple fractions again. Like I said, after May this year, I'm able to buy fractions. Here, they call by slice, right? So TJ Maxx, my position number 6. I invested $284. Its market value $372. I have $87.87 in gain, 30.91%. So this is not a big position, but the percentage is good. I will buying some fractions here and there, so I would like to grow this as a bigger position. Number 5, Amazon. here we go. Look at Amazon. I was able to get some nice shares on the end of last year, which that helped big time because they were, you know, look, all this, they were below $100. My very first one was just about 1 year ago for 133, and then when came the end of last year, beginning of this year, when they came down, see, about 1 in October, 2 in November, 3 in December, and 4 in February, everything below $100, man. That was a good buy here. And then I started buying some little fractions. See, one day about $8, $11, and you know, just the problem is people are so scared about bringing down their average price. I don't mind bringing down my average price as long as my quantity is going up, right? People saying, like my Palantir, I have so many Palantirs between $7 and $8. My average price was very low, but then came 14, 15. I can't stop buying because otherwise, you know, I need to grow the position. So it doesn't matter the average price. Don't look to the average price. To get the bigger, you know, quantity, you have to have more stocks for the ones you like it. This case, I have 12, almost 12 and a half shares, and I paid 1,268. Now it's worth it 1,680 at today's closing. So it's $411 in gains, 32.45%. So Amazon, which is my position number 5. Let's go number 4. Who is it? Microsoft. Here we go, Microsoft. 3 years ago, I have one. See, in September 2020. Then I have a little dividend here because in the beginning I didn't know how to reinvest dividends automatically, and then, you know, in 2021, end of 2021, I learned how to do it. So I have a little dividend here reinvested, and about October last year I got another one. In December I got some dividends, and this last month I bought little fractions too. So that made $606 invested. $822 is my market value today. $216 in gains, 35.6%. So here we go, Microsoft, my position number 4 in the best performance as a percentage, not amount. Let's go. What's number 3? Apple. Here we go, Apple. I have Apple for such a long time. Look at this. I bought 2 Apple shares in September 2020, so 3 years ago. And then a month after, I got another one. And then the year after, February 21, I got 4. In March, I got 3. So that means in March 2021, almost 2.5 years ago, I pretty much stopped buying Apple. And then I got some little, you know, dividends here. And this month, I decided to buy some little fractions of Apple again. One more time. See, I paid much more for these fractions I bought this month. That made my percentage here and my average cost up. Actually, percentage low, average cost up, right? But like I said, I don't mind. I just want to get more at this number here. How many I got? 10.41. Alright, my cost 1,314. Market value today 1,954. So the gains, $640 in gain. 48.7. Stock number 3, almost 50% gains. I know people would say, oh, it's been almost 3 years. Yeah, but almost 50% in 3 years, it's not bad at all, right? It was supposed to be more if I wasn't buying these little ones lately. But like I said, I don't mind. My percentage goes low as long as how many I got goes up, right? So let's see who's number 2 here on this. Costco, guys. Who doesn't know Costco, right? Best place to, you know, buy groceries. It's a membership involved. That membership gives them a lot of money, and also they still making good money selling everything. So they have 2 kind of memberships. There's, I think one's 99 and one I think's 200. But I know that the smaller membership gives you 1% back in a check every year, and the bigger one gives you 2%. Depends how much you buy. A lot of people have the membership for free, you know, because they have a check at the end of the year. And they have, you know, Costco. I think when you go Costco, they're always crowded. It's always same thing as I said, TJ Maxx. All these companies I have here, I trust the companies. It's not any financial advice at all, but I like every company I have here, especially these top ones. I really like the company and the numbers. So here we go, Costco. See, I got one Costco 3 years ago, just about 3 years ago, and then I never touch Costco anymore. They have some dividends. And what happened here this month, I bought a few more fractions. You'll see last month was a few fractions we got here, which brought my cost for $106. My market value 605. So I'm gaining almost $200 in Costco, 48.93% gains, almost 50%. I have 1.11%. Okay, let's go. Who is the best? Or in my case, Meta, guys, Facebook. Look what happened to Facebook here. I have one Facebook in November 21, then I have another Facebook end of 2022. Look, end of 2022, this piece here. I have one for 341, and then year after, I was able to get one at 155, 134, $98, man, $98. October 27, that's 7 months ago, 8 months ago. It's 300, so you get 300%, right? Your $98 became $300 in 7 months. That's insane. But we don't follow this. We don't try to find these numbers. We just keep DCA or dollar cost averaging. But look, this was so good here, and all this very cheap. And then I got some fractions. I got another one and some more fractions. So Facebook 52%. I invested the 1,879. It's worth it. 2,857 right now. Almost $1,000, guys, in gains on this stock right here. Once again, this is not financial advice. I don't want nobody to follow my numbers. I have 39 stocks on this account. This is just the top 7 as percentage, and I have 3 ETFs. So I'll be showing as we move what to do, how to buy. But like I said, I always on the way up buy little by little, and comes down you buy another little, a little more. But it's a dollar cost average. It's what it is. That's all these fractions this month because I have some drops. So I got a little bit here and there just to make my quantum, how many shares I have. Just scooping more shares, because I want to grow these positions in a big number. So once again, subscribe, send to your friends. I'm having a lot of fun doing this. I love studying investments, and I never have zero experience in what I'm doing here as far as editing and recording and all that. So I'm learning little by little. I'm having a lot of fun. I want you guys to be part of this, as we can grow our investments. This is not advice at all, but that's my point of view. That's for entertainment purposes, and we'll be here. So we'll see you guys next one. I hope you enjoyed. So see you guys next time. Thank you.